Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Steam on Mac. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, you want to go to the website store.steampowered.com. Once you're there, click on where it says Install Steam. It will show up in the Downloads tab or button at the top, where you see your recent download history. Next, open the downloaded file. Then drag it over to the Applications folder. You can go ahead and close out of that window. Now, if you open up Spotlight Search, which you can do by clicking the magnifying glass at the top tab bar, you can search for Steam. You'll see Steam right here, and you can either click on it or press Enter. It will ask if you want to open it since it was downloaded from the internet. Click on Open. It might take some time to update to the latest Steam version, so wait for it to finish downloading the update. Then, you're going to need to sign into your Steam account. If you don't have a Steam account, if you do have a Steam account, you can go ahead and sign in with your Steam account name and password. That should open up the Steam app on your Mac. So that's basically how you can download and install Steam on Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.